fix the Roblox installer not working for you and the cannot continue installation glitch. So you want to open up your computer search and type run. It will open up this app. So select it. Now here we want to type this. So percentage local app data and another percentage sign, and you can just press enter and this will open up a folder. So here in this folder we have to find another folder called temp. So I'm just going to click on any folder, type T, and we will find the temp folder. So you want to open this up. Now here you will search for the Roblox folder. So again, I'm just going to click on a random folder, type R, and as you can see we have the Roblox folder right here. So what we want to do is right click on it and delete it. So after we have deleted this Roblox folder, then what we have to do is go to roblox.com and we can just open any game at all. So this should hopefully fix it. However, if it doesn't fix it for you, you can just open up any game. You can click on open Roblox game client and it will install Roblox for you. So if that doesn't work though, what you can do is after your client has been installed, or after you get the Roblox player on your PC, then you can just search for Roblox right here. For the apps, you want to right click on it and open file location, and this will give you the Roblox player after you have opened a game. So right here for the Roblox player, we want to right click on it and we want to click on properties, and what we need to change is from the compatibility tab. So just click on it and we have to check this, run this program in compatibility mode 4, leave it as Windows 8. Then we have to disable full screen optimizations, and then we also have to check run this program as an administrator. So after we have changed these settings, we click on apply, we click on OK, and you can try to load up your game again. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.